It appears I have a pigeon living under my van. I'm going to see if I can coax him out with some seed. Come on. Come on, mate. What are you doing? Sopping wet. It's been some miserable weather here. He's a bit battered, I think. It's a bit rough looking. Looks like he might fly away in a second though. What's something to eat? So I've caught him up here. He was only able to fly a foot or two off the ground. I'll just put him in Straws' cage here for a bit, see how he does. Or she. There you go, mate. You look a bit skinny. Here, look, there's a bowl of seed over here. And a skink. Slugs have been at it, but something. What would you like to eat? Some bread. Awfully big around the nostril region there. Is that normal? Don't know much about pigeons. I'll leave him in here to dry off. Try and get some food and water into him. And we'll see how he does. Well, Henry, or Henrietta, whichever it may be, is doing a lot better. Just curled up this morning and seeing that he or she is making a nest in this shirt here. But he or she can fly, have been up on the perches, so that's good. I think I'll go and open the cage now and let them free if they wish to go. Hey Betty, who's that now? You look a little startled. Okay, don't panic. Fly into the mesh. You had something to eat? Oh yeah, I can see some seed on the side there. You walk out the door? Can you fly? You can see that slept up here. Come on, off you go. Find your friends. Pretty strange to have a pigeon around here. We don't get pigeons in the garden or anything. I think there is someone down the road who keeps pigeons. About 500 metres down the road. Maybe it's one of theirs. There's no ring or anything on it, but must be a wild one that got blown off course in all the bad weather we've had. That's it. Look, door's open. You want to go in the shirt? That's it. Good birdie. Good birdie. Good birdie. Leave a poop for me, thanks for that. Oh, careful flying that way. Oh, stopped on top of the gate. It's always so satisfying helping out a bird in need and seen it come right over the course of a day or two and been able to release them again. It's good for the soul. Bye bye, Mr. Pigeon. So the pigeon's alright and gone, but now the neighbour's just brought me a silver eye she's found. Alright, little fella. Not looking good. Not quite sure what's wrong with the little guy. He's a little cutie. Just leave him in a box in the dark for a bit. See if he perks up. Feet are working alright. He's not too good at sitting up the right way. Okay, he's sore. Neighbour's just found him laying on the lawn. You can hear his lawnmower in the background there. So it doesn't look as good as the pigeon, but we'll give it a go. So this time of the year, which is spring in New Zealand, we get a lot of birds crashing into our lounge windows. Usually the young birds, the fresh birds of the season, don't understand windows yet, and they get chased and play games and whatever, and they slam into our windows. And some of them die, and quite a lot of them I pick up and rehabilitate. And one just slammed into the window again. I happen to be home, sitting in the lounge, so I heard it. But he seems to be scuttling around now, so it might be alright. Okay, it's just a common house sparrow, male. He might be wanting to get out. It's been 5 minutes and he's recovered. If he's got any broken wings or anything, we'll take him outside and see how it goes. Normally if they're okay after sort of half an hour, then they come right. They don't usually break their wings or anything, they usually either stun themselves or break their neck. So I just put him somewhere quiet in the garden. He says there's an aeroplane flies over, very quiet. Away from this chicken, he doesn't like sparrows. Go up in this back corner. Okay, mate. Let's see if you're able to fly away. Oh, he wants to get out of there. And he's gone. Oh, that's always good to see. Hopefully there's not too many more this season. Still got lots of birdies to film. We need to... Cockatiel's just landed on my stomach. Get more here. Hey, don't eat that. Wait. Oh. Oh, you can see yourself. You see yourself? You see yourself? Ow! Please don't destroy my camera. Lots of birdies to be. Ow! Oh, my ear just got bitten by a cockatiel. Hey, hey, hey! Because the camera's zooming at the moment, it's not me doing it. There is a blue ringneck trying to eat my camera. Oi! Little bugger. Yeah, he's landed on my shoulder here. My ear, didn't he? You're back in here. Just trying to video the other one. Camera hold. There's we come in the middle of the day here. So most of the birds. Hey! Just grabbed my sons. Oh, lucky I caught them, pal. So most of the birds are having a little kip.